How to fix Windows was unable to complete the format error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to format any of your Windows or disk partition and you get the error Windows has unable to complete the format, in that case, here is a perfect tutorial to resolve this issue. To get started with, you require to open command prompt. In order to do so, tap on the search bar which is on the bottom left corner and type in command prompt. Or you could just type in CMD. After that, click on Run as Administrator, and once the administrator privileges ask permission, click on Yes. Once that is done, first and foremost, you need to write in or type in disk part. Once you write in disk part, you will see this option. After that, type in list disk and you will see a list of disks. Choose the disk that you want to format. Type in select disk and then the number of the disk, and then it will take you to another step. Next step would be selecting or listing the partition. For this, type in list partition, and after listing the partition, choose the partition that you want to format. For that, type in select partition and the number of the partition. At the last step, type in format fs is equals to ntfs and tap on enter. After this, your format should be completed. Now just restart your computer and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.